What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. We are at Train Beach Club. You guys already know who this is, Ryan Terry. This is a long overdue collab. I've been wanting to train with you for a while now, but we've been at different places, different times. Especially me, I've been all over the place. But today, we're here, we're in Dubai. We're going to be hitting up chest and triceps. You are a couple of weeks out from the Mr. Olympia. Yeah. Mr. Olympia. What?
Yeah, so
how many times have you been now at Mr. Olympia?
Too many times. Now this will be my 6th time.
We're not going to be doing anything too crazy today. Obviously not going to go for PRs or anything like that because we don't want to injure ourselves, but I'm going to be following what he wants to do, obviously, because it's his prep. So warming up, I'm going to do a few sets of just light pressing, get the blood into the muscles, into the joints, preparing myself mentally and physically for what is to come, and then we'll start with the working weights. Tops are off. This was Ryan's request. He wanted to do a set with tops off.
No, I didn't. Don't say
Yes,
that.
he did. He said, Mike, can you do a set with the tops off, please?
Any excuse, mate. Straight on. 10 solid reps. Good. 4 solid, mate. 5 halfway. Let's go. Come on. Taking that top in, will you? Come on. Big one then. Drive.
Humpty Dumpty. Not much body fat on that back. Jesus. Go on. Let's go.
Stay with the 2, yeah?
Up. And again. Big squeeze on the chest. Come on, big squeeze on the chest. Do you prefer dumbbell pressing or barbell pressing?
Dumbbell pressing.
For building size, yeah?
Good?
For building size.
Yeah. I just with barbell. I don't know, I always push through my shoulders.
Yeah.
And it's always one side. Whereas it makes me like my core stabilise a bit better.
The foundations of this chest were built from dumbbell pressing. Now we're going to do a cable fly. Could do from high to low. A lot of the time when I do a cable fly, I actually like to be seated, so that I've got like a back support, and then I can fully do the fly without rocking backwards and forwards. That is dedication. Every single meal he's had here has been prepped, so the macro is on point, the quality is on point. What are you consuming now, the macros?
To be honest, I actually don't know, but around 3,300-ish. But my calories are fluctuating these next few days.
Are you doing all this prep yourself, or have you got a coach?
So I've got a coach, Neil Gill. I've done it myself for 16 years. I'm quite.
You know your body.
Yeah. So but Neil helps in certain ways. So yeah. Ready to put some body fat back on there. Nice
What we're going to try today is a pullover, a dumbbell pullover, but for the chest. I always do it to hit my lats. I've never really done it with a chest focused intention before, so I'm actually curious to try it and see if it works.
Mind to muscle.
You're gonna bring it to this point here.
Yeah. You want to fully contract your chest when you're here, so you pull through your chest, contract from back.
The chest is definitely popping. Watch me do this, then it's going to be like 99% lat.
Oh, it's a different feeling, isn't it? It's a different one. When you've got your blood in your chest. Squeeze. Good. Hold that contraction up top as well. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Hold, squeeze. Good. Nice, Mike.
Does he still get lots of enjoyment from competing? Or do you lose a bit of the...
Yeah, that's I definitely, I've lost. I still love competing. I love dieting. I like being in routine. I love the
You need that
process.
goal, don't you?
Yeah, that's what I struggle to let go of.
On that first place, don't you?
Yeah, we've just been sat there now for like 5 years, and it kind of, I don't know. I feel like I'm getting further away from it now because the size game is huge, and I never wanted to. Competing and training was never about size. It was always about the aesthetics and condition. So.
You've always had, in my opinion, the sickest abs, like the symmetry and just the fact it's so dry and no body fat.
Well, obviously, genetics is what it's made up of. I have obviously trained for a lot of years, but it's just when it keeps getting bigger and bigger for me, it's losing why I did it. So that's where I've lost the enjoyment slightly. Yeah. We'll see what happens this year.
The first time I competed, came second. Justin St. Paul came first. And I enjoyed the experience, and I got myself in good condition. I was like, you know what, I'll do it again because I never got the pro card. Did it again, and just the following year, everyone was massive, like absolutely massive. Like, they had 10 kilograms on me, and I was like, well, this is a bit of a joke now. For me to have a realistic chance of winning, I need to hop on some.
The thing for you as well, like, that's one of the things. Like yourself, you like to stay lean all year, and like it's a confidence thing. You do it because of that. Whereas it's getting to a stage mentally, it's like the open class where 10 months of the year you need to be serious, like carrying fat, trying to gain muscle, to put that 10 pounds of muscle on each year. And for me, I hate working around like that.
I don't want to take my top off, I don't like it. I like seeing myself looking, I don't have to be shredded, but just lean. So now we have one more chest exercise to do. I think we're just going to do a machine press, nothing too complex, and then we're going to do 2 tricep exercises. By the way, I know everyone's going to be like, oh, you're training topless, you're not using the towel. You're not allowed towels in here. Weird COVID rules, but they're being wiped down after we've done our sets, okay? So we're keeping it clean. Okay, so for this competition, what are the muscle groups you're trying to bring up and focus upon the most?
So mine have always been arms. So, and not necessarily because they're out of proportion, but in America they've always favoured like an oversized arm. In every class, classic, you look at open class, even like Flex Lewis in the 212, they all have very thick 3D arms. And in men's physique, if I hit double bicep, they don't look too bad. When I sit like front posing, they just get lost. When you've got the likes of like Andre Ferguson, Raymond Edmonds, like the top guys, they are very thick and like 3D, and that's what I'm trying to chase. So I always manage to get up in the ranks through condition. They're there because of their like muscle bellies. So if I can try and match that, I have a chance.
You got big delts as well, so that like
it makes them smaller.
So you're hitting them like twice?
Yeah, so what I tend to do is back and biceps, chest and triceps, leave them a couple of days and then hit them on their own.
spot has left you.
I know, he's seen someone, hasn't he? With eye candy. He's like, oh, cheers, Mike.
Yeah, you left him. He needed a spot.
Huh?
You left him when he needed a spot.
I thought you were spotting me.
No.
That is actually terrible, terrible.
Gym etiquette.
Yeah. This is like quite a lot of chest for me when I train chest. 3 exercises max. It's such a dominant muscle. 3 or 4. Like, everyone is surprised that like, well, that's all you do for chest. I think it's because I did a lot of chest as I was growing up. My first few years of training, like I'd go to the gym and just do chest. So like, I don't want it to be overdeveloped in comparison to everything else. What's going down? We're going to do a superset to finish the session off. Just 2 tricep exercises. The chest is fully fatigued, I'm not going to lie. So we're going to do tricep rope extension and then a push down press on this machine. It's a decent machine. It's not too heavy. Listen, I'm not having a repeat of what happened with the Brandon video.
That is way too heavy.
It's not.
I think I thought I was doing the same thing.
We're being bullied off the cable.
Mike's been distracted once again.
Mike, mate, what are you doing? For goodness sake. We're going to have a serious workout here. You're an embarrassment. Can't stand people like that. Don't take it seriously enough.
Oh my god! I was going for a PB then.
Yeah.
What to teach French and what do you want to explain? That they need to.
Seen what weight Ryan's been doing? 48 kilograms for Ryan. Decent weight that. That's why those arms are lacking.
Heavy that.
So that is the session completed. Thoroughly enjoyed that one. How was it for you? Good, steady, not that great.
Average.
Not, he didn't have the best training partner, to be honest. There was a few times when the spotter was just not there. So I need to improve on that. So now, well, I'm going to go to the pool. I don't know if you're going to go to the pool. Ryan kept saying he wants to get a few pints in, so...
Chicken and rice. Chicken and rice.
we got like 5 meals to get in you now.
Got 5 more meals, yeah, so we've got to ramp the calories up today. So
Yeah.
just on a bike ride later, but we'll see if we make that now. We've had, how long was the session today?
That was quite a long session. The thing is, like, when you do these sessions and you film them for YouTube, there's a little bit more talking than usual.
Yeah,
So that did go on for a little bit longer. Usually it's shorter and more intense. But, you know, we're not going to do it in silence, not say anything, are we? No, we want to give you guys something to either learn from or entertain you with. Whatever you're watching this video.
I do appreciate it though, mate, because
Yes,
obviously
mate.
we've been trying to do it for a while, haven't we?
Yes.
So big shout out to Mike.
Everyone go check out Ryan's channel, Ryan Terry, his Instagram as well. Instagram is absolutely booting off, nearly on 2 mil.
Starting.
Yeah.
We've got a content creator now, we're sorted.
Sick. So give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.